Hi, my name is Brenna and I'm going to show you the best way to do glitter nails. But first, you will need clear nail polish. I use Sally Hansen Extreme Wear, pieces of tape, a makeup sponge. You will also need any glitter polish of your choice. I'm using Sally Hansen Extreme Wear 219, also known as Strobe Light. Alright, so the first thing I always do is apply what we call a base coat. So using your clear nail polish, we will apply one coat on each nail. While waiting for our base coat to dry, we're going to tape the border skin around our nails so we don't make a mess. Once our fingers are taped, our base coat should be tacky, almost half dry. So we are going to take the glitter nail polish and put some on the corner of our sponge. Taking your sponge, we are going to dab on the glitter nail polish onto our first nail. Warning, you will need to add more polish to your sponge a ton of times in order to cover the whole nail. Once you have finished applying the glitter polish, you can start to remove the tape while the polish dries. Once the polish dries, you will notice that the texture of the nail is very rough and bumpy. To avoid that, we are going to apply a top coat, which is 1 to 2 coats of clear polish to make it smoother. After doing the base coat, tape, the application of polish to the sponge and nail, and the top coat, we are finally done. Thank you for joining me today. That's how you do glitter nail polish. Thanks.